go to the gym, bitch. I don't know what else to fucking tell you. If you want a man, go to the gym. If you want to lose a man, go to the gym. If you want to lose some weight, go to the gym. If you want to gain some weight, go to the gym. If you want better time management, go to the gym. If you want your relationship with yourself to be better, go to the gym.
I'm sad, I'm going to the gym. I'm mad, I'm going to the gym. My money looking funny, I'm going to the gym.
Everything you want is at the gym. That confidence that you've been lacking, that booty that you don't have, that peace of mind that you need, that time away from loved ones, the me time that's literally going to transform you physically and mentally. I'm headed to the gym and I'm about to get this workout going. This is the fit. I'll probably show it to you in the gym better.
I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers.
Say hi to the vlog, girl.
Hi. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out switching sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the wood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in the figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these records too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some bitch boat. They look bright, this nigga start getting low. I spent time on the Lambo and didn't even know how to make them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. Keep follow behind in the years. I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner. Them promise to drive the period. I fuck with shots and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. They my last and my last, I know walk her up. Count the money up, feel like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rules, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rest, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. Again, hit after hit, call me very fun. For this Christmas, I bought everybody guns. Guns and choppers and F's for everyone. Take the roof out the call it up for the sun. I'm broke, see it drop by 5,000 money. Got this bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga don't run for my collar, we second her guala and guala. I'm trying to get it mega book. See them triple little nigga, best watch your step. This top shelf, got 40 designer belts. OTF, look like the new BML. They gon' jump, got phones in my right or left. And you can't go to car, ain't no key in there. Just put lost in they pockets, get out of there. Ain't gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat it like a tire, I keep it spell. On the stuff because I'm war ready. Check the tracks, I'm counting more fake. Sky scrollers, movie in the prison. Time to 50, time to rich and mellow. But the game to his empty, the colors, the flavor to his empty. I am not a killer, but I'm telling you, spending rate 5,000 to a 50. Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with shots and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck?
I'm getting a Mr. Green juice, her too, my friend too. The guy's actually making it. It's actually by Luna Park. You know I don't be caring. I'll be popping my vlogging camera out. I don't be caring. But this place is quite nice. They have like a deli section. They have a salad bar, a juice bar. Okay, wait. They have a salad bar and a juice bar. Okay. I haven't even showed my face this morning because I've been looking beat up for every vlog that I've done, and I'm like, so this is the green juice. This is our post-workout meal from earlier. Look at this, it's gorgeous. So yeah, this is the salad that I'm gonna have, and I'm gonna add some of this in it. Here that I'm just trying to finish. Also, hydrate myself because I've been feeling so sick. And yeah, I guess I was having too much fun. But pretty much, yeah, I'm drinking this to replenish.
That'll make me no hoe. That'll make me more hopeful. Everywhere you go, they know you. Can't be antisocial. I can't sleep sometimes. I need peace of mind. Roll that